Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Syntropy token. Ticker symbol is NOIA, and this token just got recently listed on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the NOIA token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Syntropy's on-chain streaming oracle, powered by its proprietary tech stack, offers seamless access to real-time and historical on-chain data. It eliminates dependence on centralized data services, delivering multi-chain data with lightning-fast speed. Syntropy's ecosystem is a vibrant mix of data publishers, developers, applications, and end users, all collaboratively employing the data layer to ensure swift and seamless access to real-time historical on-chain data. It's an ecosystem committed to democratizing blockchain data access to everyone. So this token just recently got listed, as of yesterday or the day before, but recently listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get the NOIA token, and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NOIA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is an Ethereum token. It's an ERC20 token. Now, Syntropy is bringing real-time multi-chain data access to users. This token looks like it's sitting around 21 cents right now as of uploading this video. It's up at 1% today, so it's kind of just staying the same right now. Very well-established project. They already have 13,739 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, a fully diluted market cap of $211,893,000. Circulating supply market cap is $164,434,569. And max total supply is 1 billion tokens. So they have a web page and they have a white paper. So their web page is syntropynet.com, and then their web page or their document section is docs.syntropynet.com/docs. So huge document section. We're not going to go over all of the stuff. We're just going to go over the important stuff here. So Syntropy is transforming the way blockchain data is accessed through our innovative data layer protocol, designed for efficiency, security, and equability. Our platform enables a fully decentralized data exchange for developers, organizations, and users. By eliminating dependence on centralized services, we provide swift and seamless access to both real-time and historical data on-chain. Our technology fosters a dynamic peer-to-peer ecosystem committed to powering the next gen of decentralized apps. So, the network here. Syntropy's mission is to create a data layer protocol, the leading open protocol for providing and consuming Web3 data. The Syntropy token is the native cryptocurrency and the protocol token of the network. A protocol must have its own token for security, incentives, and governance. So Syntropy tokenomics have been designed around these three complementary pillars. Number one, enable the provision of Web3 data at scale and a sustainable pricing. Number two, facilitate community governance to improve the protocol. Number three, maintain the value of the Syntropy token through the usage of the protocol. Now, the protocol consists of three main components: the app chain, the data layer, and the pub-sub protocol. Syntropy token is a vital component of both the blockchain and the data layer. An app chain is an application-specific chain which has the sole purpose of keeping the state within the application. Data layer is the application itself, and it enables the supply of Web3 data to meet its demand. It is an economic overlay for the pub-sub protocol. Finally, the pub-sub protocol enables data streaming through the network. On the data layer, various economic actors engaged in production, delivery, and consumption of the data are making state transitions in the form of on-chain transactions. These transactions are sent to the app chain, and after being confirmed by a set of validators running on a consensus protocol, they are added to the blockchain. So Syntropy's token utilities: number one is security guarantee for the chain via staking, delegation, and slashing mechanisms. Security guarantee for the data layer through continuous staking, proof challenging, and slashing mechanisms. Means of governance for the chain via proposals and voting. Means of pay for the data layer through ensuring on the protocol level that the data was delivered and it will be paid for. And lastly, a store of value reflecting the ecosystem activity and its value creation. So the Noia token, which is an ERC20 token, will have around 73.5% of its supply circulating, and at the end of 2023, this leaves 26.5% of undisputed or undistributed supply, which will be used for various incentives in Syntropy chain and data layer as future financing. So Syntropy will have a dedicated pool of tokens, a reward pool, and we will, with a release algorithm to support the validator network in the form block formation rewards. And so they have tons of information about governance if you want to get involved with voting on proposals and deciding which direction you think the project should go. There's a huge section about that on their documents. And I mean, their documents is filled with tons and tons of information, but in a nutshell, that's basically what Syntropy is. So go check this out. It is available on Coinex Global if you're looking for the Noia token. So check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.